You seen this guy's got an absolute crazy woman going crazy because Jack coughed in the middle of the street, got a crazy person going crazy. Absolute bonkers. Jack was stood here in the middle of the street, right, and he coughed. You'll be on YouTube later, yeah? And he's coughed, you'll be on YouTube later. And so Jackie stood here and he coughed. And then, just here, and then this lady, she goes, for fuck's sake. Yeah. And then, yeah, she just, this attitude on her just stinks. Absolutely stinks, guys. Like now, we're in 2020 and you can't even have a cough in the middle of the street without some person getting really, really antagonised. Do you want to see me press pass?
Let's have it right, yeah? Let's have it right. I'm stood here at the side of the bike. I'll take, no, let's have it right.
That's a big overreach, is that? There ain't a problem at all. Of course you can, absolutely. We never said...
Well, what's the fucking problem then? I said nothing to your daughter. I've stood there and I've been smoking. I've coughed. What's they going for fuck's sake?
Because I'm trying to get me thingy out of here. I wasn't saying it to you. I was saying it to everyone coughing.
Right, I coughed there.
Yeah.
Just get your stuff out.
There were no bother, but there were no bother, mate.
Nah, just get your stuff out.
The stuff's out.
Absolutely crazy, that guy is absolutely crazy. Wow. Absolutely crazy. Right. So,
what's my house got to do with it? What's my house got? Because I want to know what my house has got to do with it.
What's your house got to do with it?
Well, what's she asking about my house for?
Well, we're not about you. You said you live there.
She just asked me if I live there. What's where I live got to do with anything?
seeing that, guys, absolutely balmy. This COVID is sending people insane. Come on, Danny, get moving.
Fucking neighbours, idiots.
Picking on her. You ain't got a clue. You ain't got a clue, mush. She started kicking off because someone coughed in the street. Big Wally.
Get in the car, we're going.
Come on, Danny.
Fucking come on. Danny.
Wow.
I coughed, mate. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, leave it. You leave it. Get it out. We're off. We're off, mate. Don't worry. It's over.
Fucking cough, mate. Get in the car, Marty.
Chill out, bud. Chill out. Well, that was a bloody bit crazy. Absolutely crazy. She was at, what the fuck, mate? You coughed a tiny bit, mate, and she fucking...
Look, the tiniest bit.
Insane.
I was coughing, so I was smoking a fag.
Absolutely mad, that one, guys. Crazy. But there we go. Let's follow Danny on his bike. Absolutely ridiculous that. She was a crazy lady, her, mate.
Fucking fuming, man.
That were mad. It started about 30 seconds before I turned the camera on, and wow, her attitude. It literally coughed just like that in the middle of the street. One cough, nowhere near her. What? Anyway, guys, until next time.
I was like 4 or 5 metres away from it, if not more.
You are.
If not more. I was nowhere near her vicinity, and she's there carrying on. She walks away from the car going, for fuck's sake. So you turn around and says, for fuck's sake. And she's like, well, coughing nowhere near you, mate.
Ridiculous.
You've had a wobble.
Well, there you go, guys. A little bit of craziness. Until next time, as always, stay safe, respect, and peace.